How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another video, and today we're going to be doing a upgrade video for your graphics card and how to do it properly. And the proper way to do this is to wipe out and remove all the software from the old card first and make sure that your new card runs in and is nice and fresh. And today we'll be upgrading this 3070 Ti, which is my old card, into a nice 5070 Ti. So yes, I skipped a generation. I did not go to the 40 series, but I figured I gotta pull the trigger and get myself a new card. So we're gonna be very excited about upgrading to this 5070 Ti, and I'm gonna bring you all along for the whole ride. Now, the actual upgrade part is pretty simple, but there's some prep work we have to do beforehand, so that's why we're gonna go over to the screens here and start some prep work. So first step here, we wanna go, and this is super easy, is just to create a restore point in Windows. Because whenever you're doing new hardware and new drivers, sometimes there can be some issues with installation. Who knows, maybe your power gets cut out during installation and you run into an issue and now your computer's messed up. It's nice to create a nice Windows restore point to where if anything goes wrong, you can always restore back to that point and you know you're good to go. So it's pretty simple. If you just type in on the Windows search bar restore, it should come right up, Windows restore point, and just go ahead and make sure that your main drive, your C drive usually, is selected as on for protected, and then you can go ahead and just click create a restore point for all the drives that are on. Go ahead and type a little description in there. You can just say the date usually or pre-video card, just for your knowledge, and it'll go ahead and create that restore point for you. Give it a few seconds and then we'll be ready for the next step. Alrighty, so that was created successfully. We're gonna go ahead and now, I'll have a link in the description. Download this software. It's called Display Driver Uninstaller. It's free to use and it just basically makes sure to wipe out any remnant of your driver from your previous card. As far as the software goes, if you're able to do it in safe mode, that's the recommended version, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you this in non-safe mode because I have my screen recorder set up. But it's pretty simple software. Just go ahead and select the device type, which will be GPU for a new graphics card, and then just select the brand graphics card you have. So out of the options, go ahead and click that third one down. It's called Clean and Shut Down, and even labels it as for installing a new graphics card. So it makes it really easy for you. And it'll shut down your computer, and from there, we'll go ahead and swap out the hardware. So at this point, it actually has already started to do some wacky stuff because it is uninstalling your graphics driver. So don't freak out if your resolution looks weird, if your monitor goes crazy, if it flips around. That's normal because right now we're removing basically what is telling your computer how to display stuff. So that's fine. Huh. Well, that's neat. So normally there's a tab you lift up right at the bottom of where your GPU is connected, but I kind of forgot my motherboard had this little fun button that actually unlocks it for you. And don't be like me, guys. Make sure to take off all the packaging and the clear stickers and everything before you put it in your case. Lastly, let's hook up these power cables and get this closed up. Now there's nothing left to do but boot it up for the first time. And this might take a little longer than usual, and you might see some weirder displays because Windows is likely going to have to pull a default driver because you do not have any more display drivers, and that's fine. It'll go back to normal once you actually install the correct driver based on the website. So just go ahead and go to whatever NVIDIA, AMD, whatever card you have, go to their website, download their software, and get the latest drivers updated, and then you'll be good to go. And as you can see here, it is quite wacky. I am on only one of my monitors, the other two are completely off, and the resolution's a little crazy, but again, totally normal. Let's go ahead and get these drivers updated so you can see how it works. And after we restarted, guys, we are all done. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully now you have some better stability. Also, in the future, if you ever do run into some weird video graphic issues, artifacts, or stuff just not loading, go ahead and just run that DDU software again and do a fresh install of your drivers. This can also help a ton if you ever experience anything like that in the future, or if you didn't do it the first time and then you end up running into issues. So either way, if you have any questions, go ahead, leave them in the comments below. I'll have the links for everything you need in this video in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.